Are you struggling to get the best lighting for your YouTube videos but don't have much space or don't want to mess with a bunch of lights? In this ring light review video, I'll show you how to light yourself so you look good in your YouTube videos. My name is Herman Drost from DrostDesigns.com. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I publish a new video. So what are the top benefits of using a ring light? Number one, you don't need to use multiple lights. As you'll see later, the light from a ring light looks better than even using multiple softboxes. Number two, shines natural light on your face. The ring light imitates natural light that comes from outside. The beauty of this light is that it enhances your natural skin tones. And because it's shaped like a ring, it illuminates your face very nicely. The Neewer light also comes with a portable bag so you can take it with you when you go traveling. Another great thing is it's very stable so you can adjust the legs as you wish. Here's a ring light which casts a beautiful light on your face and on the background. You can also adjust the ring so you might want to film an object on a table. So you just unscrew this and you can move it up and down like this. It also sits on top of an adjustable stand which you can adjust it up or down. It also comes with this adapter which you can screw directly onto the ring light. The head of this adapter you can move around. So you just unscrew this and then you can just move it around as you wish. If you want to hold your phone or your camera, you can just get a little gripper like this. It's spring loaded and it just screws directly on top of this little gadget. Then you can just clamp your phone in here and it's spring loaded. Another great thing about this ring light is that it has a dimmer underneath. In this lighting tutorial, I have a ring light in front of me, a softbox to the right, and a small softbox shining on the brick wall behind me. Now I'm going to turn off the softbox lights and just have the ring light shining on me and the background. Now I'm just using the ring light by itself, shining on myself and the brick wall behind me. I'm also just using my iPhone that's mounted inside the ring light and the Filmic Pro app. In my live streams when I'm sitting at my desk, I also just use the ring light to shine on myself and the brick wall. In that situation, I just plug in my 1080p ProStream webcam into my computer. I then increase the white balance and decrease the brightness to get the desired effect. Now I'm going to compare the lighting of my ring light with the softboxes. In this setup, I'm using two softboxes, one on the left and one on the right. I'm also using my iPhone and the Filmic Pro app. Do you see much difference between using the ring light or the softboxes? If not, I highly recommend going with the ring light because it saves space and you don't have to use multiple lights. Currently I'm using the lowest setting on the dimmer. Now I'll turn it up. This is the highest setting, which seems very bright. When I set up the ring light for my live streams, I put it about 4 feet away, right in front of my desk. I use the same backdrop as I'm using here, but I use the 1080p ProStream webcam. I then use the Logitech webcam software to increase the saturation and decrease the brightness. Here's my recommendation. If you want great lighting for your videos, but don't have much space or you don't want to use multiple softboxes, get the Neewer ring light. I'll place a link to it in the description below this video. If you're curious about what other equipment I use to make my YouTube videos, click the link in the card. You'll discover the budget gear I use every time I make a YouTube video. Let me know in the comments below what kind of lighting you use to make your YouTube videos. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too. Download my free budget video gear guide below, and if you want to get notified every time I publish a new video, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.